Ondeh Ondeh, the exploding balls of deliciousness. Ever wanted to eat a dessert that explodes in your mouth? Say hello to Ondeh Ondeh, the Malay dessert treat that's about to rock your world. These little green balls might look like they're from outer space, but trust me, they're out of this world delicious. Today, we're going to make these bad boys from scratch. Let's dive in. Let's talk ingredients. We've got glutinous rice flour. Don't worry, it's gluten-free, just extra sticky. Pandan leaves, nature's food coloring, and Southeast Asia's vanilla. And the star of our show, palm sugar. It's like brown sugar's exotic cousin.
Gula melaka, also known as palm sugar or coconut sugar, is a traditional sweetener widely used in Southeast Asian cuisine. Pandan plant has a uniquely aromatic leaf that's as important to Southeast Asian cuisine as vanilla is to Western baking.
Join the dessert club for this and other recipes. Info in descriptions.
Now let's blend some pandan juice. Next, slowly mix your pandan juice with the glutinous rice flour. Knead it like you're stressed, and this dough is your therapist. Too dry? Add water slowly. Too wet? More flour. You're aiming for Play-Doh consistency. Now for the fun part. It's time to play Hide the Sugar. Take 20 grams of dough, flatten it out, and wrap it around a 6-gram piece of palm sugar. No cracks allowed. We're going for a watertight seal here. It's done when roll it into a smooth and round balls. Once you've got your little green balls ready, it's time for their hot tub experience. Drop them in boiling water and wait for them to float. As soon as they float, fish them out and roll them in grated coconut. It's like breading chicken, but sweet and way more fun. And voila, you've just made Ondeh Ondeh. Now for the best part, eating them. But be warned, bite gently, or you might end up with a sugar shower. So there you have it, folks. Ondeh Ondeh, the dessert which some say is the classic representation of Malay dessert. Coconut, pandan, and glutinous rice. Be sure to subscribe for more video recipes.
Do join membership and interact with fellow dessert enthusiasts. Details on description below.